Next we will go for the square headed nut and bolt assembly. In this, here they ask that you have to draw the three views of a square headed bolt of size 25 mm diameter and 100 mm long they have given. Okay, they have given capital D is equal to 25 mm. Okay, according to this, again we have to calculate the 10 proportions, but here we should not calculate the washer because they have not mentioned the washer in the problem, hence it is not necessary. If you want to draw the washer, then you can calculate the 10th point also. Okay, first one is nut thickness, that is T is equal to D, that is equal to 25 mm. Okay, next bolt head thickness, small t is equal to 0.8 into D, that is equal to 20 mm. Okay, that is 25 into 0.8 is 20 mm. Next, width across flats. Okay, width across flats, that is equal to this one is square, no, 1.5, that is 1.5 into 25 plus 3. Okay, 40.5 mm. Okay, next width across corner. Width across corner is, that is 2D. 2D means 50 mm. Okay, next thread length. Yes, here we have to calculate the thread length, that is x is equal to 2D plus 10. 2D plus 10 means 25 into 2 50 plus 10 is 60 mm. In the last problem we have not calculated because they have given the thread length as 50 mm. Here we have to calculate the thread length because they have not given the problem. Okay, next chamfer angle, that is equal to 30 degree. Okay, next radius of chamfer arc, that is equal to capital R is equal to, here we are going for the square, hence we will take the R is equal to 2D. 2D means 50 mm. Okay, next root dia is, that is equal to 0.9 into D, that is 22.5 mm. Okay, next bolt end chamfer, that is equal to 0.1 into D, that is 0.1 into D means 2.5 into 45 degree. Okay, next it is not necessary to calculate for the washer. Here we will draw the again top view, front view, top view and side view. Okay, just I will change the direction here. I will again draw the center line first. This is the center line. Here I will draw the front view, top view and side view. Okay, this is the one thing. In last problem what I have done, front view, top view, side view. We can draw anything. Okay, but in this problem what I will do, I will take this one as the front view, top view and side view. Okay, first I will draw the center line here and the diameter is 25 mm. From this point you can draw the 25 mm here, 25 mm here. Okay, this length must be 100 mm total because they have given from here to here, this one is 100 mm. Okay, next one is, this one is over, that is 25 mm. Next we are having the thread length. Thread length is 60 mm. From this end you can take the 60 mm. You can draw the one more line here. This right portion is for the thread length, and we will consider the root diameter. Root diameter is 22.5. 22.5 means 11.25 above and 11.25 below. Okay, this root diameter is also over. And next bolt end chamfer. Bolt end chamfer is, that is 2.5 into 45 degree. Here you can take the 2 mm from the end. Okay, and draw the chamfer here. Okay, here this one is 2.5 into 45 degree. Next, here we have to draw the square head. Okay, here again we are having the two options. Okay, either we can draw with the help of width across the flats or width across the corner. Which one we want, we can draw with anyone. Okay, either corner or with the flats. Okay, first I will take with the corner. Okay, I will take with the corner. From the center point, take 25 mm above and 25 mm below. And here they are given the nut thickness. Bolt head thickness is 20 mm. From this point, you have to take the 20 mm. Okay, and this is the center line. Draw a dark line, and here also you can draw the dark line. Okay, next you can take the middle point here and middle point here and draw the straight lines here. Okay, and here we know that radius of chamfer arc, that is equal to 1.5 into d. Radius of chamfer arc is 2d. 2d means 50 mm. Okay, from this point cut an arc for 50 mm, and here also you cut an arc for 50 mm. Take this point as center and draw one arc here. Again take this point as center, draw one more arc here. Okay, and here you can draw the 30-degree line. This is 30-degree line. Okay, this dimension is 20 mm. Next, here in the threaded portion we have to draw the nut. Draw the line towards right side here. Okay, and draw one vertical line, and one line. Again from this one, here the nut thickness is 25 mm is there. Okay, from this line we have to take the 25 mm, draw one more line. Okay, draw the dark lines here, and you can select the middle line. This is also dark. Again you have to select the middle point of this portion and middle point of this portion. You have to draw the one line here towards left side, and here also we have to draw the one more line, and take this point as center, cut an arc here. Again take this point as center, cut an arc for the 50 mm. Take again this point as center and draw the arc like this. Again take this point as center and draw the arc like this. Okay, and you can make the dark portion for this one. Okay, and for this portion also you can draw the dark lines. Here also you can draw the dark line, and this is the root diameter. Okay, like this you can draw. Okay, here this is 20 mm and this one is 25 mm, and the thread length is 60 mm. Okay, and root die is 22.5 mm, and nominal diameter is 25 mm. Okay, like this we have to draw the front view, and top view is also same. There is no changes at all. We have to draw the same thing because we are taking across the corner, and the top view also remains front view as it is front view. Okay, first I will draw the side view, then I will go for the next thing. Okay, here we have to draw the side view. To draw the side view, first we have to locate the center point here and draw one vertical line. Okay, and or you can directly select any one point. We will take this point itself. Okay, no problem. And we will draw the 45-degree line like this. First 45-degree line like this. Okay, here we know that width across flat is 40.5 is there, hence you can take this point as center and cut an arc for 40.5. Okay, this angle is 45 degree, and this angle is also 45 degree. Similarly, you can take the again same length and cut an arc for the 40.5, and you will get the square here like this. Okay, next you can draw the one vertical line here. Okay, this is the first we have to draw the square here. Next thing is if you are viewing from this side, you can see the first nut. Okay, hence nut and this we can see the nut. Hence I have drawn the first square here, and I have taken this point as center. Again, with the help of the compass, take this point as center, and with the help of compass take this distance and draw one circle here. This is for the chamfer portion. Okay, next thing is, if you are viewing from this side, we can see this thread also. Hence, to draw the thread, first take this point as center, and here the nominal diameter is 25 mm. Half of that one means 12.5. Take this point as center and draw a circle for 12.5, full circle. Next, we are having the thread in this nut bolt region. Hence, for that one, again take this point as center. Root diameter is 22.5. Hence, we have to take the 11.25 with the help of compass. Again, take this point as center and draw the 75% of the circle. Okay, this indicates we are having the thread in this portion. Okay, this is the side view for the given problem. Okay, first thing is we have to draw the square. Okay, next one is we have to take this point as center. From here to midpoint of this square, we have to take, with the help of compass, we have to take the measurement and we have to draw the circle. Okay, next here the diameter is 25 mm. Hence, we take this point as center and draw one full circle for the 12.5. And because for this region we are having the threaded portion, hence again take this point as center. We have to draw the 75% of the circle. Okay, that indicates we are having the thread on this bolt assembly. Okay, next we will draw the top view. Top view remains same as it is front view. Just I will project all the lines in the downward direction. Okay, I will draw the center line. Okay, next from this center line I will take the 12.5 above, because 25 mm is the nominal diameter, 12.5 below, and root diameter is 22.5 means 11.25. Okay, and we are having this now across the corner means 50 mm. From this point 25 mm above, 25 mm below. Okay, this is the nut head. Again, you have to take the midpoint here and midpoint here, draw the arc towards right side, and here we are having the radius of chamfer arc is 50 mm. Take this point as from here we have to cut a 50 mm, from here also we have to cut a 50 mm. Take this point as center, draw one arc here, again take this point as center, draw one more arc and draw the 30 degree line here. Here also 30 degree line, this is 30 degree line. Okay, for the nut portion, again you can project towards right side. Okay, and draw here, from here to here a dark line, here to here also you have to draw the dark line. This portion is also dark line. Okay, midpoint you can draw the dark line here. Again take the midpoint of this region. Okay, and cut for 50 mm. Again midpoint of this region, cut for the 50 mm. Again take this point as center and draw the one arc here. Again take this point as center, draw the one more arc. You can draw the dark portion for this one. Okay, and here also you can draw the dark portion. This midline is also dark, and this is the nominal diameter, and this is the root diameter. Here you can draw the 45 degree line, and here we are having the 2.5 into 45 degree, that we are calling that one as the bolt and chamfer. You can take the 2 mm here. This distance is 2.5 into 45 degree. From here to here you can draw the one line, that is 45 degree line, and here also you can draw the dark line. Okay, this is the top view. Just I will show the dimension. This one is 20 mm, and from here to here this is 60 mm, that is thread length, and this one is nut thickness 25 mm. Okay, and this is the nominal diameter 25 mm, and this is the root diameter 22.5 mm, and this is the front view, top view and side view. Okay, how like this we have to draw the front view, top view and side view. Okay, and similarly we can draw along the, now we have drawn along the corner. Similarly we can draw along the flats also. Okay, like this we can complete the to draw the square head bolt of size 25 mm diameter and 100 mm long. These are the 3 views we are having.